Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Virgin Travel Bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your Tor browser and search Virgin Travel Bank login. Once you hit search, you'll find Travel Bank under Virgin Australia. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you're already directed to the official page of Virgin Travel Bank Australia. All you have to do is look on top right corner of your screen and you'll find login. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you are redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your credentials. That includes your velocity number and your password. In case you can't find your membership number, you can click here and find it. And if you forgot your password, you can click here and reset it. If not, then just simply enter your credentials and log in. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.